straight. No, wait till it's straight. I don't like corners. Ready? Hey, flames are low. camera. Shit, hold that quick, yeah. Fucking shit with someone like ambulance come there. They're all in ambulance, but I thought it was fucking coppers. Ready for this pretty soon, it sounds like.
That night when that fucking we were all on here and that car rolled it on that corner.
Yeah, we pushed it back up. It was Anthony, wasn't it? That Jeep, black Jeep.
Yeah.
Yeah. We were in Simon Ashton's car.
Yeah, because Jason, right? I know, weren't he?
Yeah.
When he had escort, weren't he?
It's when that fat fucking Simon. It's when that fat Chris Ellis got fucking.
That ginger.
When he tried to stop us out of his car for us to fucking edge. Oh shit.
No way.
More power. Shit. Don't snap your fucking drive shaft. You might have to Kyle, you might have to start with an handbrake. Oh shit. Kyle.
He's got something wrong with him.
Fuck me, Kyle. Oi. Nah, stop it, man. No way. You were fucking right close to that curb then, pal.
Yeah. It's too grippy this floor.
Fuck that. Never been.
That were fucking. I poo myself.
Beth's going to shit herself. What a stupid tart going in that car. Oh man, he's getting run up a lot. Oh shit.
You know when I got in that, I forgot how fast it works.
It's got a great shitload of torque, hasn't it?
Yeah, and I sat there, I really forgot how fast your car was. It's good. I'm moving.
No, innit? Whoa, what the fuck?
Kill yourself.
Oh.
No.
I can't even see out on this camera, it's fucking gay.
Go get some red light, Kyle.
I might collapse.
See if we get some flamage. Might be loud here though, might fucking... Whoa! Fucking hell! Kyle! What the fuck?
Having that.
Fucking massive and I got it all.
Started building. Otherwise, on the floor.
Easy. Don't go in the bush. This is going to turn out horribly wrong if we drag it.
I think they are.
Look how crap that camera is. Fucking
Fucking
cool.
hell.
It's quick that Eva, isn't it?
Yes.
Now it makes you want one even more, doesn't it?
Yeah. I can't believe.
That was just spinning then. Do you see back end fishtail?
That's got some great grip.
Fucking has, hasn't it? He's got crap tyres on front though. You know when we're going about? You're going to be a right petrol edge in that car, isn't
I already am. Do you know what I do at college all day?
What?
Look at cars on the internet. And that goes to me, Tom's got to you, hasn't he? And I went, yeah.
I'll come out with a quarter tank.
We've got a petrol station at Tesco. There's something wrong with it.
Sounds very good though, doesn't it?
Yeah, it sounds
Why you sound a bit tappy. They're all like that though.
I want one. One of either one. That's more my dream car than that.
idiot.
I'd win that shit, motherfucker.
Is your brain left on your pillow at home?
Oh, we need to get out of here.